But anyway, this is a very special year for two particular things. It's the 250th anniversary of Guinness. Does everybody know that? Now it's also the 250th anniversary of a very special man. Does anybody know who he is? No, it's no Cecil. There's no Billy Tier either. Huey, I'm asking these, that's, Huey's got it right. What did he say? Robbie Burns. And Robbie Burns was a great hero, and that's why we played this in Scotland. But just to, we want to keep the night going, but just to sort of fill you in, the Grousebeaters started about 3 years ago, and I can tell you they are Grousebeaters. Sometimes you go and they're supposed to pick you up and they didn't pick you up, and we're maybe going somewhere and they forget about you, and then you go somewhere and they lock their car in and it's locked in a gate and you can't get it out. So that's the sort of boys you're dealing with, you know. But anyway, we thought we would do a DVD and a CD. It's the first one we ever did, and it's all the old stuff that we sort of lost, and you'll hear some at the night. And the Grousebeaters, just a bit of fun, but the DVD was recorded in Scotland, a lot of it. And I was just talking on the radio station with Hugh there, and I don't want to bore you. One tune we'll be playing tonight is Star Robbie Burns, and it's a great old tune. And that was actually filmed in Mossgiel, where Robbie Burns, I'm sure you remember the story of Robbie Burns ploughing up the Daisy with the Clydesdale horses, and actually we were over there this year and they were ploughing up that field with the Clydesdale horses. So that is on the CD and or the DVD and the CD. So here he says, I hope you are going to give the folk a Maghera, a bargain tonight. So we'll talk about that later on. So Jimmy here just loves singing, and Jimmy's just raring to go here. And this also features on the CD. It's a wee tune you all know, the Green Glens of Antrim.
All across the blue lies a blue fairy land, but the sea rippling over the shingle and sun, there's a big heart
Well done, Jimmy. Thank you very much.